Are you ready? Probably not. Okay, well then you talk to yourself. Okay, try again, girl. Woo! My arms are sore. Okay, stretch it out, rock it out, yeah. Hey everybody, and welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out our channel. Today's video is this eye look right here using a crazy affordable $8 palette and dupe for Natasha Denona. The palette that we're going to be playing with today is by Ccolor Cosmetics, and it's called the Sundown palette. You guys, like I said, it's crazy affordable. It's $8. I do have a 10% coupon code that will bring this palette down to $7.20. So if you're interested to see how we created this look, or I created this look, then make sure to stay tuned. But before we get into it, if you guys would, make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you love affordable videos, as well as don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and Twitter. I'll have my handle scrolling somewhere through here. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so here are all of the swatches for the Sundown palette by Ccolor Cosmetics. Ignore the fact your girl hasn't done her nails yet today. That will happen momentarily. Anyways guys, we're gonna go ahead and talk a little bit about the palette and get right into an application process. Okay guys, now honestly, I do a lot of dupe videos, and I do believe this is one that I think that I have shown on my channel before. Again, this is by Ccolor Cosmetics. This is called the Sundown palette. This is what it looks like up close and personal. As you guys can see, it is a beautiful 15 pan palette, and it retails for $8, guys. It's actually like $7.20 if you do use my coupon code, which is Hotmess10. You guys know I keep it honest with you guys. It is an affiliate code, so if you don't want to save money as well as give me a little bit of a commission, don't use the code, just pay $8. But this is what this beautiful palette looks like on the inside, and this is the back of it. So of course you're going to get all the ingredients and everything on here. As you guys can see, it is a cruelty-free palette. You can pick this palette up at ccolorcosmetics.com, and like I said, you can use code HOTMESS10 to save 10%. If you guys want to see these bad boys go head to head, then make sure to leave me a comment down below, because I'd be happy to do that for you guys. I do want to note that on Ccolor Cosmetics website, it does show two Sundown palettes. One is supposed to be a dupe for the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and then if you scroll down a little bit farther, then you'll find this palette right here, which, like I said, is supposed to be a dupe for the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. Anywho, I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit more, and we're going to go ahead and get to creating a look with this palette. Okay, so we are up close, we are personal, we are living our best life. So everything on my face, I will leave listed and linked down below for you guys, and I'll actually pin it in the comment section. You guys said you actually liked when I did that on, I think it was like one or two other videos, just to make it easier for you guys to know what I am wearing. So, okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I am going to start off with this really pretty kind of peachy tone. I'm not going to put it all the way up to my brow, but I'm going to go pretty high with it just to kind of set. As you guys can see, I do have a little bit of the Tatcha Pearl on my eye as well. So I am going to make sure to kind of remove that. There's no concealer, there's no primer, it's just the Tatcha Pearl on there. So I will tell you guys that these shadows do have a bit of kick up in them. They are a bit on the softer side. Not the end of the world. I still feel that they build up very nicely. You guys know, because of my mature lids, I always do a tap tap or dab dab type of motion, and then I start to kind of sweep around, or whatever that is called. I'm a makeup enthusiast. Also, I am pretty heavy-handed, so I think that plays a part in the kick up as well. Just focusing this orange shade more in the crease part of my eye and a little underneath. Now I'm going to go in a little deeper with this like terracotta shade right here, and kind of pat that right on the outer part of the eye. Kind of like the V. I'm kind of deepening it at the same time. Just trying to show you guys that these build up nicely and they blend together very pretty too. You don't necessarily have to have the most expensive shadow on the planet to get a gorgeous look. I'm gonna mix these two shades right here. This one and this one to give a little bit more of that deep setness I don't even think that's a word, but whatever. Mixing those two, it gives us a little bit more definition in there. And then I am going to go in and kind of blend them out with a fluffier type of brush. Okay, and then I'm going to jump back into this orangey shade and kind of soften up just a smidge. I'm going to go into these two shimmers. This one is going to be more on the center part of my lid and this towards the inner corner, and I may add a little bit of this one to kind of like merge them together. So let's go ahead and do this. Just using my Alamar flat shader brush. And I screwed up already. Okay, this one is going into the center because I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah. So now that's going in the center, sorry. Now we're gonna go into this lighter yellow. Pop that in the inner. And then merge them together. Then I'm gonna go in with this other flat type of brush from Alamar, and I'm gonna go into this one and just go really close to my lash line. Okay, so from there I am going to use this shade up by the brow bone and in the inner corner, and then I'm going to jump off and do my mascara, and ooh, that's much brighter than I thought. Oh god, I am so heavy-handed. This stuff picks up super easy. That's pigmented. Okay, I'm going to hop off here. I'm going to do my... How long have I had lipstick on my teeth? Oh my lord. First video of the day. It's a Monday. Not sure what day you'll see this, but anywho, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna do mascara and liner, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back with my lashes and my liner, and as far as lipstick goes, I did add a little bit of this Over the Top by Ccolor gloss on here. I have to say, I've been like going back through my makeup and like rediscovering things that I used to talk about all the time and play in all the time, and I think that, you know, I was always rushing out the door so much for work that it was just like the same old product, same old product. So anyways, I am rediscovering lost loves here. So anyways, that's not what this video is about. Let's talk about this little palette right here. I have to say, I know that a lot of you guys have asked me, you know, what is this a dupe for? And I have to say, I feel like it is a really good comparable dupe as far as colors go thus far to the Sunset palette by Natasha Denona. Like I said, I will come back and do, is it a dupe or just a waste of money for you guys? If you would like, that won't be a problem. I do want to warn you guys that these shadows are a bit more on the softer side. So if you are like me and you're heavy-handed, definitely make sure to either try and like be mindful and go in with a lighter hand, or just make sure to tap your brush. I went in kind of heavy-handed with this chocolatey brown shade, and of course had a little bit of fallout on my face, but again, it wasn't the end of the world. Brushed away very, very easily. These shadows in this particular palette do remind me more of like the ABH type of shadows, where they are a bit on the softer side. Not hard to work with. As you guys saw, they build up very, very nicely. They're easy to work with. They blend out very nice, and I definitely have a good amount of longevity there throughout the day. No issues. It's about 90 some degrees out, and these shadows, the Ccolor Cosmetics formulas, they're not those kind of formulas that you worry about that fade away throughout the day. You know what I mean? So anyways, I think that if you do pick this palette up, like I said, it's like going to be $7.20 if you use Hotmess 10 at checkout. I think you're really going to like these. You're really, really going to like these. They're budget friendly. The longevity is there. The quality is there. Ccolor Cosmetics does an amazing job with their palettes, guys. If you have any of their palettes, as always, I always ask you guys to leave a testimony down below and let others know, because I don't feel like this is one that's actually talked about as much as it should be. I do want to mention to you guys that a lot of you guys, and even now Haley, sorry, I had a hair on my face. Even my daughter Haley found at Burlington some of these palettes. So that is another thing that you can definitely, if you have a Burlington close to you, you can always check and see if they have any Ccolor Cosmetic palettes there as well. So Anyways, I do want to mention that as far as shipping goes, shipping is free, $25 or more. So yeah, I know with my discount, this is going to be $7.20. But I did want to give you guys a couple other options. I mean, I have yet to have an eyeshadow. I'm like looking over at my stash of Ccolor Cosmetics. Any of their eyeshadow palettes I have found to be really, really amazing. I absolutely love their strobe highlighting palette. It's what I have on today. You guys, you could blind a person with this palette, or you can kind of like calm it down a little bit, but I love this palette. I have it on my collarbone, it's on my face, it's everywhere. I love this. I love this. I use it a lot for an inner corner highlight. And I do have on today the pore filler stick. I love this, especially if you're like me and you have larger pores like right by your nose and your chin, some through here. This is great. I still use my Guerlain, I still use the Tatcha, but I really focus this right in the T-zone where my pores are insanely big. You guys, this is only like $4 or $5. So anyways, very affordable makeup. I feel like you will definitely love this. We love affordability here, do we not? Anyways, friends, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my description box down below for everything on my face, as well as my second channel, my daughter's channel. All the questions you may have will probably be in that description box. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would greatly appreciate it. As always, feel free to share our channel, share the love out there, and a huge shout out and thank you to my Patreons for all of your love and support. Thank you guys so much, and to you guys as well. Thank you for giving me a little bit of your time to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it. Okay guys, I'm off. I don't know what my deal is. I'm like, whoo, first video of the day. Your girl always gets corny and goofy, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna hop off until tomorrow, friends, or Monday. I don't know what day this is going up, but until next time, as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.